Welcome to Succulents for Beginners channel. This channel is all about succulents, specially designed for beginners. We would like to help you get on track fast. There are experiments showing results from a week to a year. You get to see the results and judge for yourself if a well-known process works. We also have made a version to help identify your succulents in a systematic way. We love to hear your comments and suggestions, so please don't hesitate to leave your comments. And if this channel helps you in a way, please share it with your friends who you think will also benefit. Happy succulents gardening!